How to use antique and vintage chairs, incorporating into your space, mix and match, combine old model chairs with modern furniture to create an eclectic look. This contrast can add character and warmth to your space. Accent pieces. Use antique chairs as accent pieces in living rooms, dining areas, or bedrooms. They can serve as focal points that draw attention. Functional decor. Place old chairs in entryways or hallways as decorative elements while also providing a place to sit. Restoration and care. Assess condition. Before using an antique chair, check its structural integrity. Ensure that joints are secure and the seat is stable. Cleaning. Dust regularly with a soft cloth. When cleaning, use a slightly damp cloth with mild soap for deeper cleaning, avoiding excessive moisture. Polishing. Apply furniture polish or beeswax to enhance the wood's natural luster and protect it from drying out. Comfort considerations. Cushions and upholstery. If the chair is uncomfortable, consider adding cushions or reupholstering it with modern fabrics for added comfort while preserving its vintage charm. Ergonomics. While many antique chairs are beautiful, they may not always provide the best ergonomic support. Use them for shorter periods or in combination with more supportive seating when needed. Displaying and showcasing. Gallery style. Arrange a few antique chairs in a group as part of a gallery style display. Perhaps against a wall with artwork or decorative elements. Themed spaces. Create a themed area, such as a reading nook with an antique chair, a small side table, and a lamp, to evoke a cozy atmosphere. Using for events and gatherings. Unique seating. Use old model chairs for events, such as weddings or parties, to add a touch of vintage charm. They can make great seating for guests and photo backdrops. Creative arrangements. Arrange a mix of antique and modern chairs for casual gatherings, encouraging conversation and interaction among guests. Understanding their story. Research. Learn about the history and origin of your antique chairs. Understanding their background can enhance your appreciation and provide interesting talking points. Preserving heritage. By using and caring for antique furniture, you help preserve the craftsmanship and heritage of earlier design movements. Victorian chairs, characterized by elaborate designs, rich fabrics, and intricate carvings. Common types include the fainting couch and parlor chair. Use. These chairs can add a touch of elegance and are perfect for formal living rooms or as accent pieces. Mid-century modern chairs, featuring clean lines and functional designs. Chairs from this era, like the Eames lounge chair or Hans Wegner's wishbone chair, combine comfort with style. Use. Ideal for contemporary spaces. They can seamlessly blend with modern decor while offering a retro vibe. Windsor chairs, known for their spindle backs and simple design, these chairs have a rustic appeal and are often made from hardwood. Use. Perfect for dining areas or kitchens, they provide a casual yet classic look. Chippendale chairs, featuring intricate carvings and a distinctive style, these chairs are often upholstered and made from mahogany. Use. They work well in formal dining rooms or as statement pieces in living areas. Tips for finding antique and vintage chairs. Antique stores and flea markets. Explore local antique shops, flea markets, or estate sales where unique finds are often available. Take your time to browse and appreciate the craftsmanship. Online marketplaces, websites like eBay, Etsy, or specialized antique furniture sites can offer a wide range of options. Look for reputable sellers with positive reviews. Auctions. Attend local auctions or estate sales where antique furniture is sold. This can be a great way to find high-quality pieces at competitive prices. Networking. Join local antique or vintage furniture groups on social media. Members often share listings, tips, and even organize group outings to explore shops together. Plant stands. Repurpose an old chair by placing a potted plant on the seat or using the backrest to hang trailing plants. This adds greenery and a unique touch to your decor. Side tables. Use a small antique chair as a side table. Place a decorative tray or lamp on the seat for a charming accent in living rooms or bedrooms. Entryway seating. Position a vintage chair in your entryway as a place to sit while putting on shoes or as a decorative element to welcome guests. Children's spaces. Antique chairs can add character to a child's room or play area. They can serve as seating for story time or as decorative elements that spark imagination. Home office. Incorporate an antique chair into your home office for a unique and stylish workspace. It can serve as a guest chair or provide a comfortable spot for reading. Caring for antique chairs. Regular maintenance. Dust and clean the chairs regularly to prevent the buildup of dirt and grime. Use a soft, dry cloth or a slightly damp cloth with mild cleaner. Avoid harsh chemicals. Steer clear of harsh cleaning products that can damage the finish or wood. Stick to natural cleaners whenever possible. Humidity control. Keep antique chairs in a climate-controlled environment to prevent wood from warping or cracking. Avoid placing them in direct sunlight or near heating vents. Professional restoration. If a chair needs significant repairs or refinishing, consider hiring a professional restorer who specializes in antique furniture. This helps maintain its value and integrity. Conclusion. Antique and vintage chairs offer a rich blend of history, craftsmanship, and style. By understanding different styles, knowing where to find them, and thinking creatively about their use, you can incorporate these timeless pieces into your home. They not only provide functional seating but also serve as conversation starters and decorative accents that enhance the character of any space. Embrace their story and beauty, and let them enrich your living.